Bored in class? Arrange a real prank festival. Add some glitter. Transform an onion into an apple and turn a globe into a grapefruit. Watch these and other ideas for school pranks in our new video. Daisy is going to have a snack. She has a healthy grapefruit. And Dolly has a brilliant idea for a geographic prank. We swipe a globe while Miss Smith is busy with her formulas. And we turn the Earth model into a grapefruit. Take the globe out of the stand. We'll need a grapefruit of the appropriate size. Print out a globe map. Cut it out and tape to the grapefruit following the shape. Cut out the continents. Pin them up to the fruit. Trace the outlines and take off the map. Draw Madagascar and Antarctica by hand. And cut out the outlines on the peel using a modeling knife. Leave the land untouched and cut out the oceans. Wipe off traces of the pen using a cotton pad soaked in rubbing alcohol. Put the grapefruit into the globe stand. Geography may become the most delicious subject with this fruit globe. Put the globe fruit onto the teacher's desk. Miss Smith notices the weird globe. What's happened to the Earth? All the oceans have dried out, and the continents have been covered with orange peel. On the other hand, the globe looks small and smells like a healthy snack. Miss Smith can eat the entire Earth on her own. She's such a big eater. My friend needs scissors. Well, excellent! I've got a sticky pair just for her. Attach strips of double-sided tape to the scissors blades. Wrap the excess tape around the blades. Daisy is going to cut the paper, but it sticks to the scissors immediately. That won't do. My neighbor pretends that it's not her fault. It's great that I know a life hack of how to remove the sticky layer from the scissors. Rip off the tape where it is possible. Then, rub the blade using a cotton pad soaked in any vegetable oil. We've got wheat germ oil. It's good both for your scissors and for your nails. It takes off the sticky layer without any trouble. Now you can cut anything you want with these scissors. Daisy has a little sticky friend, and she's gotten pretty much tired of it. Okay, I will move this super sticky slime to my friend's pencil case. Mix hair gel and silicate glue. And add a bit of thickener, borax. Do not add too much of it. The slime should be extremely sticky. Dolly reaches out to take a pen. Yuck! What a ghastly thing! Some sticky substance has invaded my pencil case. It's a glue and jellyfish hybrid. And how should I clean my hands now? Fortunately, Daisy knows a tried and tested method. The slime, like this, comes off your hands with a cotton pad and vegetable oil easily. Dolly cleans her hands using the oil. Yay! There is no traces of the sticky monster. And her friend should give her a pen to make up for the prank. Dolly has a new piece of fruit. It looks like a regular apple, but if you smell it, you'll realize it's an onion. Cut off the top and the roots of a ball-shaped onion. Take off an extra peel and paint it with food paint to be of the same color as an apple. Make yellow dots with a needle. It will make the peel look more realistic. And add a stick stem from a real apple. Miss Smith asks us to give her the apple. Certainly! Here you are! But once she bites it, she regrets asking for it. Her eyes fill with tears. Why are the students so cruel to their teachers? Why do they try to get rid of me with this onion? Keep calm, Miss Smith. Coffee beans will help you stop crying. You need to smell the coffee beans, and it will soothe your eyes from tearing up. And don't forget to wipe off your tears. We will get rid of the weird apple immediately. The girls have come up with a new prank. Hang a bag with foam plastic balls on the blackboard. Put colored foam plastic balls into a paper bag. Attach one end of the fishing line to the bag and wind the other end around a piece of chalk. Attach strips of double-sided tape to the back of the bag. Attach the bag on top of the blackboard and put the chalk on the shelf.